Silent letters in English. Basically, practically, bomb, climb, death, doubt, lamb, plum, plumber, sutter, thumb, tom, ascend, descend, muzzle, sin, scent, scissors, handsome, grandson, sandwich, Wednesday, assign, campaign, champagne, cologne, design, foreign, gnome, rain, sign, honest, hour, rhythm, business, parliament, naked, need, knee, knickers, knife, knitting, knowledge, almond, balm, calf, calm, chalk, could, folk, half, palm, sermon, talk, walk, wood, york, autumn, column, hymn, coop, cool, cupboard, pneumonia, pseudo, sigh, raspberry, receipt, isle, island, apostle, butcher, castle, Christmas, fasten, listen, mortgage, often, build, biscuit, circuit, guitar, answer, sword, whole, wrong. Please remember to like and subscribe.